In the land of liberty we stood tall and proud, fighting for freedom, shouting it out loud. But our bellies were empty, our taste buds bore flavorless food. Oh, how times were ignored. Then came along a hero, a company so bold. Boston Spice, the spices were more than pure gold. They brought flavor to our tables with every savory bite. No more bland meals, they set out to taste buds alive. Oh, Boston Spice, our savor in the kitchen. With your magical flavors, our meals never lack ambition. Spices from afar, bringing life to our food. We won the war of the flavorless, thanks to you. Oh, so good. Honey, so good. Honey.